Hello and welcome back to another episode of Garden Grill.
On today's episode, we're going to learn how to barbecue dry rub chicken thighs. For this you'll need 1 kilogram of chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and 2 tablespoons of salt. Add in the paprika, add in the salt, followed by the garlic powder. Now give it all a good shake. If you need to know how to start a fire, check the link below. Now place all the thighs directly above the coal. Turn the chicken every so often, making sure it doesn't burn. When you think your chicken's ready, give it a stab in the thickest part. If the juices run clear, it's ready to eat. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.